Hey you guys, so let's just get right into the video. I'm showing you how I print an invoice. So I will hit those three dots at the top and then I will hit print, and I'm also in a Word document. Then I'm gonna go to open another app, and then I will slide over and I will hit the Canon where my printer is hooked up to. Then after that I will go to the bottom of the page and it will let me hit print, and I'm just covering up, the invoice with everybody information up there. And then at the top I will hit copies, and I can do 1, 2, or 3, just a list of numbers that I could do. And I'm just gonna print one, then go back, and then I will hit print again, and then it will start printing, and there goes the invoice. So now I'm about to package up my order. I already printed out the invoice, so now I'm just trying to put the box together. So now I'm just adding me some crinkle paper or confetti paper, whatever you call it, to make it look pretty and give it a little bit of support. So now I'm just about to fold up the invoice paper and put it in the box so they can have their own personal receipt. And I have a copy as well. So these are all the lip glosses of the skin collection. We have Nefertiti, and then we have Cairo, and then we have I think it's Nubian, then it is Mulatto, and then it is Goldie. Those are all the 5 shades of the skin collection. So I like to put my lip glosses in these little bags and, place them in there real cute and neat. I also will be adding a thank you card in there and also my business card. So I got these little small organza bags, and I'm just about to stuff them with that crinkle paper or confetti paper. And then I'm going to add my sample lip gloss in there. And I think that shade is going to be Sabrina from my Halloween collection, which is called Beautiful. So this other stuff that I'm about to package into that box, that is a pink lip gloss. It's strawberry flavor. And then this is from my giveaway. This girl had won a giveaway, so I just put both of her items in that one box. And she also got some micellar water by Garnier. She had a perfume sample that was YSL. And then she had a sample of potion from my Halloween collection. She also got some lashes. And I think that's about it. So here's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that post notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And I will see you guys in a new video. Goodbye.